Stripdown show on Mkhumbi TV with your host Ndlela yaga Skosana. Well, namhlanje ngiphathele one of the best local artists esibaziwe la eMzansi. And as you know me, angizwani nokustilisha yini yabanye abantu. So let's just get straight to it. So bona bhuti wami unjani?
Unjani sisi ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila. So ngicela ungichazele kabanzi ukuthi ubani uChilli Bites. Actually ngifuna ukwazi the real you.
uChilli Bites ufuna ukwazi igama lami nguTshepo uLenati Dema wakwaNdlovu Sibongo, yabo. So Chilli Bites igama ngithethe ebholweni, yabo. So I was playing soccer ngisakhula, then vela machita ngibizwa ngoChilli Bites and ngalithanda legama, yabo. So I decided to call myself Chilli Bites since ngicala ukwenza music. Yes, of course.
So ngicela ungichazele ukuthi i-background yakho ubuyaphi ufunde phi kanjalo nje?
Primary yami ngifunde eMhluzi primary school. Secondary ngaye Sozama, ngathi nangisuke Sozama. Yeah, matric yami ngikompletele eSozama. Then I started doing music and I never looked back.
Okay.
So yeah.
So did you have the love for music really ever since umncane or just started after high school?
I was so in love with the music. Nasepolweni and everything abantu nabayenza abangani bami badlala, like I wasn't interested, yabo. But when it comes to music, like ngaba nendlebe ukuthi I like this thing and I'm so proud doing it, you understand? So I started doing music and you're like, yeah, I'm doing good music, yabo.
Saying ukuthi ibhola nebalidlala bonganandaba mara bodlala ibhola. Did you have the love for soccer noma bowenza because of peer pressure?
Peer pressure, like bewuthi abangani bami badlala ibhola. And everyone like udlala ibhola now, you understand? So and mina ngisesemncane like benginomzimba, yabo. So I didn't like running. So I had to choose something which would keep me happy and my content happy, yabo. So I chose ukwenza music.
Okay. Now uthi ibhola udlala because of peer pressure. Unginikeza a benefit of a doubt ukuthi were you good in soccer noma nje bodlala nje for the fact of playing?
Like to tell you a story, bengu goalkeeper. So I want to naloko ngiyakutshela ukuthi like
two left feet.
You understand? I chose ukuthi ngibe goalkeeper. So I was a goalkeeper. And then my last match ndoda bakora base center field. Yabo. Bankora base center, so I decided that this is not for me. It's not for me. So ngeke ukora usise. So I vele ngayekela lapha. Bangikhipha same time iqala imatch goal. Out.
Okay, fine. Seems like you had a childhood and sweet memories and all that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So let's get to know Chilli Bites. At what age?
I was 15 or 16.
15 or 16.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have struggle in terms of support at home or what?
Yeah, I had. Even though that's why I'm those are one of the reasons why we still upcoming artists by now, because of the support is not so you understand? Because from England, like they didn't support it all. But look, support a man. Yeah, but sing born and seven born now, but all so now
okay, let's take a twist from background and the childhood memories. So rumor has it you had a friend, you were close, very like brothers, but then all of a sudden things took a turn. Tell me about that.
Yeah, it really took a turn. Like, I don't want to mention names, but I really had a friend, and he was like a brother to me, like closest brother to me. But through like friends he chose, you understand? Yeah, I think got us to fight. No, what is understanding fun, I understand? And so too like it seems like we can't be my bosses at the same. It's by any C1, So yes, I cover kanjalo, but in the C1 it's not like something huge, but. I don't even think I'll reconcile with him. I'm not even scared to say it. If Gubane beef, so be it. Understand? So be it. Yeah. If it was with Namikal and then do a song about it, I don't mind. Because then like it was so big in a small way. Understand? So if Unenkinga, bring it on, I'm ready for it. One time.
Okay, balaleli bethu nababukeli bethu seems like le ndaba le iza nokushisa too much okwamanje ithi ngihambe ngiyophuza manje sokubuye sikhuluma.
Room full of smoke, room full of demons, room full of smoke, demons in the vapors, room full of smoke, room full of demons, room full of smoke. Room full of smoke.
Welcome back to TSD. If you just joined us, well, you just missed out on a lot. Marungawar, you know what I got your back. Welcome back, Butwam. Oh, okay, fine. Sharp. Okay, I get Uguti, you were part of some rap crew called the Overload. Take me through that.
Yeah, I was like part of a crew called the Overload. Overload the crew like 2010. Like sahlangana simachita like isiculayo like us yabo. So sabona ama potential khona abantu abanare you understand spirit. So sa groupana and I was doing beats very back there. So asashaya izinsimbi and then we did songs. Sibesinga ebesibane mfethu. Futhi amachita khona abanye ngokhumbula but then like the few ngiyakhumbula yabo. But then it was huge.
So what destroyed the crew?
Bantu satisperse mfethu. Saqala ukuthi omunye nomunye wazibona seka ready for ukuba uwe. Like yeah.
Bese vele no one we no bekana red hope about the crew beyangekho vele uthi I'm taking this name forward.
Bekakhona like you khona uyi-one uselling like keep pushing le gama le Overload yabo like there's a guy called Slash Makasana I think I'm yabo. So yeah like every take me back with you besida you understand.
Yeah.
But then yeah bakhona basapusha but usela yi-one I think but then mara ngiyayithanda into ayenzayo you understand. We sell a limo so sweet.
Okay. So vele wena na ubhekile, don't you think ukuthi you go back to the crew maybe sometime or sharp ngayo?
Yeah, I think indaba ngicabanga ukuthi vele like it's a great thing ukuthi see since thina selling I think yimi uye and then khona omunye bathi Scoff. Now still doing music, you understand?
Yeah.
So mina ngicabanga like ukuthi we can do something, yabo, just to yeah. If ba willing cause everyone but busy. People are busy as well nami busy.
Okay, fine. So I get that Uguti, some of the first weeks of March or so, we dropped a single yako called Copycats.
Of course.
Oh, okay, fine. Well, take me through that too.
Yeah, Copycats, like Copycats I singing it drop like 1st of March. EP Lam. I'm trying to promote the EP Lam, so I'm still getting it mastered, like little pro. They asking me why like are you delaying to take out your EP? Why we important you keep it while it's not done, not perfect, understand? Instead. So it's better to wait until I am sure it's like but Copycat is singing the Pumagu one time EP or EP Lam like last 7 tracks, you understand? Yeah. Now lots of Pumamatuzan because I'm shooting music video. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So people are 17 with the EP.
Artist the Lami, I can say. Yeah, because I have a movement called One Time Movement. Like it's a sort of a company. Yeah, me understand. Talenting line for Gas Lami. So the artist the Lami will be barbecue. Yeah, and like big out be sauce. So all of a sudden, since it's a barbecue, so it's like, oh, chili bite barbecue, so artist lang barbecue na, we vele featuring the EP lang, we pay.
Alright, so it seems like Ngati, you have this big vision about the music industry and all that. I want to tell you, if Sasa City Uvuge, you are now this hot artist, the big one value yaziwa, what would you do to change Ikaslako?
My first thing, I would build a theater, like us. You understand? Theater for Wuchi, like I'm an artist like Wasakula, Babelinda where they can get discovered. You understand? Because the problem is now Nati, it's even now Nama is now, you understand, challenging Kulu Wuchi. They acknowledge they can go and be like, yeah, Muslim Benzinte, so we take this one, our hectare and everything. So Minanga Shai Theater, where Abantana Banga Corner, Basugile, Keba's audition Lama Idols, you understand?
Yeah.
We one time theater feature like that. So like one of my visions.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine, so I get that Wuti, you have this tag Yako Uwani of wearing flip flops. What's how planned about like
but it's a shop right carrying up same guy one time. You understand?
Yeah.
So like the shy track the other time so it came to my mind like yeah, like it's nothing wrong on getting shop right my gloves. It's nothing, understand?
Yeah.
But it sounds nice like in getting shop right my gloves. So I was like it's like shop right the carrying gloves
So
yeah.
it's basically your trend from now on.
Yeah, because I come to so like smile.
Okay.
Yeah.
So any future plans nje from here?
Yeah, my future plans like would see like EP Lam will put me like at least 3 music video over the songs Abantu Bangazazi. Yeah, for a change with like EP Puma, or Puma music video before EP, you understand? So I want to do something different, Nakon. Yeah.
Yeah, so since vele rapper, angicela ungishaye nge-freestyle.
Kamu chili bite, Phume Mpumala, Mabizo sabele, Ntsimi ngagoja, inkalakatha, Nangabe unekhali sondela, you understand? Igama lami chili bite, fethu angifuna ukurapha kakhulu, angifuna ngiraphe. Hambe download the music wami fethu ulalele ngithola. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, for people vele who want to get to know you better, bangakuthola kuphi in terms of your social media?
Yeah, on Facebook I'm Chili Pie Smash, but there's a problem because Chili Pie to amakapalo like the Chili Pie low yabo I and LL and everything is the bora, I understand. Like
wow. Okay, fine, carry on.
Yabo, so Chili Pie to I'm like it's just CHEELY Bite, BITE. So Chili Pie Smash in Facebook, Chili Pie Smash, Twitter, Chili Pie Smash, like Instagram, Chili Pie Smash.
Okay, before I close it, can you please tell me, is there a special somebody in your life, Norma?
There's a special somebody. Yeah, there is. Okay. Mara, I don't want to mention names.
I didn't say you should mention names.
Yeah.
Anyway. Okay, Babu, I guess that's it for today. So, if you want to join us again, you can catch us next week, same time, same place. From me, Umdazana Semajalini, thank you. Bye.